good show. Lots of horsepower, a brand new John Deere,
and lots of chips. This is going to be one of a two-part series, all on how potatoes are made into chips, household potatoes and fries. We hope you enjoy it, and don't forget,
if you like it, give it a great big thumbs up, smash that
subscribe button,
comment down below. Tell us where you're from, if you enjoyed something that you would like us to film next.
This New Holland tractor is pulling a grimy harvester, also known as a windrower. It pulls up 2 rows of potatoes at one time, ready for the big harvester to come behind and harvest 4 rows in one. This speeds up the potato harvesting process.
Here is the windrower in action, putting the harvest potatoes in their rows. This is the large potato harvester. It is a Grimy Veritron 220 Platinum.
The tractors and trailers are coming and going from the field, back to be stored, ready to be sold. It's non-stop.
Potato harvesters all have rear axle steering. This is to make removability more easy in the field.
This harvester is self-propelled and has a front wheel steering, while at the rear, one side is run on tracks. This is to help stop compaction, while the opposite side is run with a normal wheel.
The harvester has its lights flashing because it is full. It can hold up to a couple of ton of potatoes while waiting for a trailer to unload onto. This means they're not wasting time waiting for the trailers in the field. is a trailed potato harvester, which is pulled on the tractor. It can load potatoes into a trailer and also be used as a windrower. The potatoes are gathered at the front where they are then fed up onto a chain webbing which shakes any soil through the webbing and taking the potato up through and onto the elevator which feeds up onto the trailer. This is the same process as a self-propelled harvester, picking up 4 rows of potatoes at any one time.
Potato harvesting is not fast. Most people don't know that you should treat a potato like an egg, delicate. This is to stop them from getting bruised or perishing before being consumed. tractor has just came back from the farm and it's tipping all the dirt out from the trailer. It's past my bedtime. It's starting to get dark, but we farmers carry on. All these potatoes in this field will make chips. You get small ones, you get second big ones, and you get big ones, and you get wobbly ones.
Here's one for all you John Deere fans. This is a new 21 plate 337R which is for sale. So all you farming lads or lasses out there with deep pockets could purchase yourself a shiny new quality tractor with not many hours on the clock.
That's our wrap of potato harvesting for 2021.
If you've enjoyed our video today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for all of our new subscribers.
We'll see you all in our next video
when we take you to the farm to show you what happens to the potatoes next.
So stay tuned, enjoy and smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video.
Bye!